Hey guys, I was at Costco today. It looks like with July 4th around the corner, Costco now carries American flags, the American flag kit. This is a Valley Forge 6-foot American flag kit. Basically, it comes with a 3 by 5 foot American flag, as well as a 6-foot aluminum pole and mounting hardware. So pretty awesome in terms of price, because normally it's about 20 bucks or $25 for the American flag if you bought it online. I'll leave the links below. Or for the entire kit, it was like around 40 bucks online as well. So it's a pretty awesome deal. I figured I'd let you guys know. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell button for more Costco finds and other stuff. On the packaging of this thing, it has a lot more information on how to display the flag and stuff, which I found very, very insightful, and that was pretty interesting too. Anyways, please like, subscribe, hit the bell button for more Costco finds, and I will see you next time. Have a good one.